Hello traders, let me share with you guys how we manage amazing profit on pound yen on 24th of November 2023. So if you look at the 4-hour chart, that's the pretty straightforward. As you can see here, previous price action, market nicely broke on the previous side, so we were expecting another pullback. Another way to look at, we have impulsive move, and after this impulsive, the market develop a correction, you can see here. So that gives us the high probability opportunity for one more push. And if you look at this candle, is a bullish engulfing candle, market nicely broken. And afterwards, as explained, my trader keep taking a pullback. The target would be the previous high, which price nicely hit and bank amazing profit. Now, let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit. That was a pretty straightforward. We can see here as soon as the market develop impulsive move, so we were expecting here another pullback based on the analysis. Beautiful pullback, bank amazing profit. After banking some profit, we have another analysis instantly. You can see a market. Basically, this is the previous analysis, but we updated. The reason why we updating it just to make sure the trader don't miss any opportunity. We basically persuading our traders not to miss any opportunity. So even based on the previous analysis or based on this analysis, beautiful breakout, long trade here. Once we announce this analysis, then there's accountability system in place. Then we ask our traders why you haven't taken this trade, and if they have any situation about psychological issues doesn't understand, then we help them with the live market. So again, based on this analysis, we had such a nice beautiful long trade here, and as explained, as soon as the market hit to the profit target, that's what explained my traders time to bank some profit. And then we did another analysis, as you can see here. Based on that, look for, after banking some profit, as explained, keep taking a pullback. And then this pullback we announced through live RD commentary. As soon as the market developing a consolidation, even if you look ahead, market is developing another bull flag pattern. But because before the market close, as explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy amazing profit, or at least if you want to keep holding long, move your stop loss at the break even. So guys, if you want to see all that analysis and explanation in detail in real time with the live audio commentary support through these type of analysis, most welcome. Join our fast growing trading community. Have a nice weekend, guys.